Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. These are recent developments around DJ Sqameza and also Ivuma FM, as we've seen a post here all over social media. These have sparked speculation about his move to the station following his exit from Ukhozi FM, where he was no longer part of the lineup lapana Iyawuke U2026. DJ Sqameza made an appearance on Vuma FM, which led many to believe he had been hired permanently. However, available information indicates that he was featured as a guest on one of our station shows, sharing his journey and experience rather than being officially appointed as a full-time presenter. While some social media posts claim he joined the station after his departure, there is still no confirmed announcement of a permanent contract with Ivuma FM. Before you can you please do comment on the section down below if you have any information regarding this info. Anyways, bafethu ngibonge kakhulu for wonke umuntu ke uthamele ke lolu daba, ningakhohlwa ke ukusubscribe niphinde ke ngicommente ngezansi. Danko.